Welcome to our high-quality and advanced golf ball marker manufacturing factory. Let us get started once we're ready. First off, after finalizing your design, we'll carry out precision cutting and engraving on steel using CNC machining. Then we assemble and test the mold. Once everything checks out, the mold opening process is completed. Next, for cast iron products, we pour molten cast iron into pre-designed molds. Apply pressure to fill the molds fully, and after cooling and hardening, we get the desired castings. We melt zinc alloy or aluminum alloy ingots into a liquid state. Inject the molten metal into the mold and let it cool and solidify to form the initial blank of the ball marker. This step perfectly replicates the shape and structure designed in the mold before we take out the metal blank. After that, we trim off the excess scrap from the formed blank. Remove mold line burrs by hand polishing, and then perform initial buffing with a polishing wheel to make the edges smooth and sleek. Then comes the first inspection to ensure quality. Next step, we apply the corresponding colors to the ball markers, making sure the color is uniform and the gloss meets the standard. We offer two coloring methods: manual painting and machine painting. Finally, we conduct drying and curing, followed by the final inspection and finishing touches. And there we go! Your popular golf ball markers are all ready.